Benefits of honey: restores dead cells on the skin, makes the skin soft and elegant, removes wrinkles on the skin, cleans all pigment spots, makes the skin shine like glass. Yogurt benefits: nourishes and moisturizes the skin, reduces wrinkles, and calms the skin. The mask is applied to the hands, face, neck, and décolleté. Use it every other day to maximize the effect of the mask. From which country are you watching us? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the videos, click like. The mask stays on the skin for 15 minutes.
Light the sky up high, feel the rhythm fly, dancing through the night under neon light. Hear the beat so sweet, sweeping off my feet. In the moment now, lift me from the ground. Take me where it flows. Diviru go. Heartbeat in the air, music everywhere. Lose yourself and sway.